Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to grow your business online without a lot of money. So first of all, you have to choose the right platform for your website. The biggest mistake you can make as a small business is choosing the wrong platform to build your website. A wrong platform will not only cost you more money, but it will also limit your business growth potential. So I recommend you using WordPress. It is the most popular website builder in the market and it powers over 31% of the all websites including both small and large businesses. So when you say WordPress, we are talking about wordpress.org and not wordpress.com. To start a self-hosted WordPress website, you will need a domain and web hosting account. Yes, they are different. So, different hosting companies offer different plans suitable for small to large websites. This ultimately affects the cost of your website. If you are just getting started, then we recommend you Bluehost. They are one of the largest hosting companies in the world and officially recommended WordPress hosting provider. So then you have to choose a functional website with simple design. Many beginners believe that their customer will not take their business seriously if they want if they don't have their website professionally designed. Getting a professional to custom design your website is expensive and it is not needed when you are just starting out. You can easily start a ready-made free or premium WordPress theme for a fraction of a price. Then you have to make it easier for the user to contact you. If you want your website to bring you more customers, then you need to add an easy way for the visitors to contact you. The easiest way to do that is being used by a content from your website. By default, WordPress does not come with a content form. Luckily, there are WordPress contact from plugins that can help you easily add a contact from to your website. We recommend you WP Forms Lite. Then you have to start building an email list from a day. Most people who leave your website will never come back again. This means that if you don't get their email addresses, then you will have no way to communicate with them in the future. The most cost effective way to do this is building an email list. Email marketing is the most reliable way to communicate your website visitor. You can get started with a constant contact. They are the top related email marketing services provider in our list. WP designers users get a free trial of for those who just starting out without or 20% off. It is upgraded to their paid plan. So get the more organic traffic from your search engines. Search engines like Google's are the major source of the traffic for most websites on the internet. There are a lot of the things you can do